Percy. Hey, Percy, over here! Hello! I'm so glad you made... Oh! Okay. I deserve that. Shouldn't have Spartan kicked you out of the Golden Arch. Ah. Oh. Well, you got a decent right hook, I can give you that much. Like, ow! You got a message from your dad saying go to Santa Monica? Okay, guess we gotta go there. We should probably get to the surface and regroup with Annabeth and Grover. I'm sure they're worried about us. No, you don't have to worry about Echidna and her Chimera offspring. I took care of them. Sent them back to the underworld the hard way. How did I do it? Let's just say, I'm good with my hands. Let's put it that way. Alright, come on, let's go. You know, it's really cool we can breathe in water. Alright, come on, let's go. There, Annabeth and Grover. Crap. Too many people around. Alright, come on. Hey guys. Yeah, we're okay. Little worse for wear, but other than that, we're okay. Not here. We can't talk here. The newscaster just mentioned my name and Percy's name. Come on, we need to get out of town. Back at the train, like, now. Yeah, so Percy's dad told him to go to Santa Monica. So we're about to head there now. That's the train. Come on, we need to get going. Everybody make it? So we got on just in time. Alright. Next stop, Denver.